So I set the camera up on the tripod and thought I pushed go, but it didn't go. Anyway, I spent the last 5 hours digging these 2 olive trees out. That one's a monster. It's a big tree. Yeah, that was a lot of hard work, but it should be done. Look at them roots. About an 8-inch root there. And all that's going in the dumpster, into the trash. Let's see, it was some kind of damage going on there. Tree's been trying to survive for a couple of years, but mostly been dead. Alright. Missed out on some good footage. Sweat my butt off.